Hello?
Hi, Mr. Sotelo.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good. How are you guys?
Pretty good.
Good. Hi. Nice horses. Hello, everybody. I'm just missing a few.
What's up?
Not much. We're just going to wait a minute and see if Cameron, Daniel, or Gabe join us. What's up with you?
None.
Did you guys all fill in your check-in forms?
I forgot to.
Well, you can take a minute if you want.
I never do.
Wonder why.
Even when you have lunch options? All right, well, we'll get started. Today, I guess to start with, we'll see if Adam left. If you guys are not finished with your page yet, actually, I do want you to add a second page that you can link back and forth to. I'll help you guys try to wrap up your pages, and if we have time left, we can make a new project and I can start showing you more things that you can do. So like layouts, how to control your layout, and how to make different types of elements. There's a few more basics that we got to go through. Well, I guess let me show you mine.
Listen, I missed last class, so I don't know how far I am behind.
How'd you miss it, Carney?
I had therapy.
It would be good if you checked out those videos if ever you miss.
Okay.
And to follow along so that you are able to catch up. That's why we record them. Can you see my page? All right, so, just something pretty simple, nothing too crazy. Just have some lists, unordered lists. I have an ordered list. If you remember last class, I wrapped this in a div element, and then I was able to give that div element an ID, and then by grabbing it by its ID, I was able to give it a width and a background color So it kind of was its own little section. And we talked a little bit about positioning this. I got rid of the positioning stuff and just have it back to normal. So just something like this for your assignment. Have like an image, have your unordered and ordered lists, give us a little information about yourself. How I have described in the Google Classroom assignment page. I have suggestions on things that you could put in. And then remember, this was an anchor tag, which was just an A tag, where we wrapped text with that, and we were able to set the href attribute to, in my case, I made a file called christmas.html. So if I click on that, I made a second page. And so I guess this is what I did over break. It's kind of funny. If you look at the example thing I posted in the classroom, you can check it out. The cat just looks kind of dead. But then there's a go back to home link. So if I click that, it takes me back to the index.html file. So that's how you can kind of make a multi-page site, just by making a couple HTML files that link to each other. So how far are you guys, and do you have any questions that you need help with? I can stop presenting, and if you need to, you can present your screens and we can.
So for mine,
Mm-hmm.
you had, but I don't, it's not like linking over, so I don't know if there's something I need to do necessarily for the index.html page.
You want to present your screen?
Sure.
We'll take a look at your code.
It's not letting me for some reason.
Down by the lower right, there should be a present button, and then it pops up a thing that asks you which screen or which window.
Okay, is it sharing now?
I think it's starting. Yeah, now it is.
Okay. So does it have my, okay,
Yeah.
perfect.
I
So
like the diamond. Good. I like the font.
thank you. So I got like pretty much everything that was like required. This was a long link.
Yep.
I got all this, and for some reason I'm just having a hard time just trying to get that second page.
Okay. Yeah, the second page, you don't have to put a ton in there. Mostly I just want you to see how you can link between them.
Mm-hmm.
So, do you have a place where you want to put your link on your main page?
Yeah, could I? Oh, like my page right here.
Okay. You're chopping out a little bit, but I think I get what you were saying.
Yeah, I just want it at the bottom of my web page.
All right, so if you go to your index.html file, and then above your style tag, right at the end of your body section.
At the end of the body. Right here?
Yeah, yeah, right up there on line basically 37. That's where the end of the body section is.
Oh, that one. Gotcha.
Yeah, make a little space there after the 2 line breaks. I mean, I would go to line 36 and press enter. Yeah, there you go. And then just type A and press enter.
A, enter.
There you go. Inside of those 2 tags, you can type what you want the link to say. And then in the quotes right there, you should type christmas.html. No, that part, that's where you put the Christmas.html.
Oh, okay.
Cool stuff you would put in between the two tags.
Oh, gotcha. Okay. Christmas HTML and the two tags.
So inside those two pointy brackets, if you just go, yeah, there you go.
And then cool stuff.
There you go.
Oh, awesome.
And, if you
And
click it-
then over to here,
Mhm.
would I just put in
Just something about what you did or a funny picture, doesn't really matter.
all right, thank you.
Yeah, and then in your body of that other page,
Mhm.
like at the bottom maybe, just do another anchor tag. Just press A and press enter in like on line 10 or something. And
Okay.
and then link that back to index.html so that people can go back and forth. Make sense?
Mhm. Thank you.
Yep. Any other questions or anybody else need help?
I need help.
What do you need help with?
Everything.
Mason needs help too.
Yeah, I just don't remember how to do like the unordered list.
I don't know how to make. I only made the other like file, but it's like not working.
Oh,
I
mine.
missed a lot.
Like the link like doesn't work.
Mhm.
I don't know what's going
Okay.
on.
Is that Pizza Rat? No.
It is 9:40 in the morning.
It's a
Yeah,
pop
I
chart.
woke up. That probably woke up 40 minutes ago. So.
It's a pop chart.
Oh,
I see that.
Pizza would have been better.
yeah, pizza would have been better.
You look like you're close to the ceiling.
He's just on a ladder. Look where his head is lined up with the tree. He's definitely on something.
I'm in a chair.
Crap.
Also,
How
the
big is your
ceiling's
chair?
It's just a weird perspective.
Well, I don't remember how to get to my file.
Well, that you would go to repl.it. On the
That's
left,
where I'm at.
on the left-hand column, it should say My Repls. And then if it's not there, it should be there.
I need help.
Hopefully this is it.
All right, Mason, the unordered list was just a UL tag.
Okay.
And then inside of the UL tag, you would make LI tags with like list item, just like the ordered list, only instead of OL, it's UL. Does that make sense?
Sweet.
Yeah.
All right, Coda, what do you need help with?
My second page isn't working. I don't know.
You want to share your
why.
screen?
Dang.
Well, what do I gotta put like on the second page?
Just
that's
you know,
all
you
I
can,
need.
you can just type some stuff about what you did, or you like I just put a video of a cat passed out. So
But like, what do I need to like make it like HTML?
What's that?
Should I just present my screen?
Yeah, that would help.
Okay.
Can I like stay after class and you could help me? Mr. Satel?
Yeah.
Mason? Quit shaking your head.
Presenting isn't even working.
What?
Can you see this?
Okay. Right now I see it.
All right. So I'll open. So I click on this, and then it just does nothing.
Okay, so that looks okay. Why does it say not found?
I have nothing. I have nothing on the second one though. Do I have to put stuff on
It
this?
should just take you to a blank page. Type HTML and then press, I guess press enter. Oh, Refresh your screen, actually. Your
Wait.
REPL's not really working.
The whole page?
Yeah.
Okay.
Reload REPL.
Does the anchor tag have to be in the body?
Yeah. All the content that you see on the screen should be in the body. The hair by my eye. There it is. Yeah, delete that and then type it again. And just wait. Yeah, I guess press that. Nothing?
Computer's broken. The heck is going on?
All right, just run your page again.
Refresh it again?
No, just click.
Run it. Okay.
I want to see if it's working. Now try the secret page.
Oh, like click on it?
Yeah.
Nope.
You're
Why isn't it showing up like to autofill it? I don't
You're a
understand.
mean one.
yeah, I don't know. You might not have a good connection to REPL. It should take you to the page. You know, there was nothing wrong with what you had. It might be easier just to
still
copy
white.
what you. If you go into your index file, you could just press Control A to select all, and then Control C to copy. And then in your other page, you can Control V to paste it, and then just start changing things and remove anything you don't need.
Why is it all white?
Because it takes a minute for the
Okay.
syntax highlighter to
Is that racist, Coda?
operate.
It's supposed to be racist.
You might be having issues with REPL today, so I don't know.
Well,
if it's
that happened last time too when I tried to like make the second page. It just didn't work. I don't know why.
All right. Well, do your best. That is how you do it. How you were doing it. And if you send it to me, it might work for me, even if it doesn't work at your location. Okay, Brady.
I only have like one last thing, so I'm just trying to get this picture of Palpatine saying "do it" with like a Mountain Dew
Mm-hmm.
on here. I'm gonna present real quick, and I think this is like an easy fix, but
Okay.
yeah. So I have this for my last page. I mean, not my last page, my second page. And so I'm just trying to get this picture in with this because it only has previous page
Okay.
marked down for it.
So that link that you have in there,
Mhm.
that like line 5 altogether,
Yeah.
you don't need that.
Okay. So just get rid of.
Actually, lines 4 through 6 you can get rid of.
4 through 6.
Yeah. All right. The head section should be separate from body, and you kind of had the head inside of the body. All right. So then you've copied the URL. So just type IMG and then press enter, I believe. Oh, don't do the pointy bracket. Yeah, just IMG. There you go. And then in the source, yeah, you can paste that there. And then the alternate text is like if you hovered over it, or if the image didn't display for somebody, there would be text saying what it was.
Awesome. This is perfect.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yep.
I found what was wrong with mine.
Who was that, Coda?
Yeah.
Is it working now?
Yeah, because at first it was just a file instead of like an HTML thing. I don't know why. But now I made a different one and it's working.
Okay. Yeah, I think it's an issue with REPL. Because you did have the file there. Just REPL seemed to not know where it was. Anybody else? Does anybody else need any help?
I can't get my HTML to like link on my page.
Okay. So let's, I guess let's see yours.
Okay. A tab. Sure. All right, is it going?
Yep. I like the heart.
So like I have it here, but
Mhm.
it's not coming up here.
I think it is, but the default
Yeah.
for links is bright blue. So I think
Where
if you
is,
go down here, yeah, you could leave that blue. You could so just like how it says body and then you got curly brackets, you could make a new section, like a new part, maybe go below, not inside of the curly brackets, outside of the curly brackets. So yeah, press enter a couple times, and then in there you could select the anchor tag, so A, and then curly brackets. Oh. It tried to autocomplete something. Oh no, don't do that. Just A. And if it tries to hit escape. That works. And then press enter. And then just say color. And you could set that to white or whatever you want. And now it should show up. Never mind.
I don't know.
All right. So yeah, scroll back up.
Oh, this is. Oh, it's,
I mean, that should work.
yeah, no, that's what I'm thinking.
Maybe REPL's having some issues today. Maybe move that somewhere, maybe below the about me. Oh, I know what it is. You have no text between the two tags.
Oh,
So like, no, that's fine. But
Okay.
in between the two pointy brackets,
these ones?
yeah, type anything. Like,
Stuff.
there you go.
Ah,
There you go.
let's see if that goes. Oh, yeah, it did.
Good. Okay.
I just have to add stuff to this one.
Yeah, add anything and then put a link back to home, and that'd be good.
Wait, how do you put the link back to home?
In the body, you would type A and press enter. And then an href, put in the index.html. And then in the pointy brackets, maybe, yeah, back home or something. Yeah, that's good.
Stop or something.
That'll work.
There we go.
Nice. Anybody else? Is everybody else good? Or finished? No?
Can I make a video play like when someone goes to my second page?
To play automatically?
Yeah, like just like take up the whole screen and just play.
Oh, yeah, it's a little bit. I don't know about taking up the whole screen.
Not the whole, just it just gotta play like when it's
Let me
going.
just show you.
Because I kind of want to like click on it and then Tokyo Drift just play, but
Well, I'll show you what you can do. Well, I clicked this link after our calculus class. I don't know. So if you wanted a video, they made me watch this. But if you go to share on a video at YouTube, you can go to this bracket thing that allows you to embed. And if you do that, you'll get code. You can make it start at a particular time, but you just got to click copy. And then if you go to your site, That's how I put in the cat video. I just pasted that in here. Maybe I'll do another one. I'll put in some line breaks. And then I'll paste what I just copied from YouTube. And this is the that song, I guess. Autoplay, I think. Allow autoplay. Does that make it autoplay? Maybe. I'm not sure how you do it. Maybe autoplay equals true, something like that. Maybe true has to be in quotes. We'll see. And then, no, that didn't work for autoplay. What if I just type autoplay? I'm not sure how to do autoplay. You might have to Google that.
Coda. You should rickroll.
I had that at first. I put Rickroll, but I'm like, getting Tokyo drifted would be way cooler.
Mr. Sotelo, how do I add a second thing, like a second page?
I'll show you in 1 second.
I just don't know how to start one.
Okay, adding autoplay equals 1, I guess maybe is how. Let's see. Nope. I'm not sure. Maybe watch one of the videos. Well, you would come up here where it says files. You'd click add, and then you would type, you know, other.html, and then you have a new page. Now, usually you should be able to type HTML and click one of these to get the start of a page and then you can start putting things in the body section. Otherwise, you can just copy everything that you have, like Control A, Control C, and then you can paste all that into here, and then start removing stuff that you don't want on your second page and replacing things. That's one way you can do it. Is that what you were asking?
Yeah, I think we're good.
Anybody else? Are you guys working on it, or are you done? The ones who aren't responding.
I'm done.
Who's done? Okay. Well, you can submit it on the classroom, so submit it. But I would also recommend, so if you go here and do you see on your preview window how there's like a little button at the upper right that says open a new tab? If you click that so that you open in a new tab, copy that website address and post that in the comments so that other people can view your page as a standalone page without the editor. And then we can all see each other's about me stuff.
On the stream?
No, in a comment on the assignment. Like not a private comment. So if people go to this assignment, they can click on it and then they'll see everybody's link. And then they can
That's awesome.
you can view your page.
Did you guys add to the About Me page thing last class or no?
Not really. I just showed you a few other things that you could do. We changed fonts. So I showed you how you could add a font.
Because that's why I left off.
if you're about, it's fine if you have your about page pretty much filled out with pictures, an unordered list, an ordered list. That's fine.
Hope it's filled out.
For ordered list, how do I get the numbers right next to the word?
Picture neon cat.
So you have an ordered list, right?
Yeah, but like the numbers are all the way to the left, and then my words are in the middle.
Oh, I don't know exactly what you mean.
I'll present it.
Okay.
Like this.
It's coming up now.
Your mic's unmuted, kid.
I knew that. It just wouldn't mute.
Okay. That is strange. Oh. I see. Go down to your style, maybe. Huh. I don't know why yours is like that. So for your, I guess, go to like the end of that curly bracket and press enter and type OL and then open a curly bracket and then press enter. And then type maybe max dash width colon and say like I don't know, 300 px and then semicolon. Try that. And then looks like you could shrink it quite a bit. So maybe 100, I don't know, 150. And then also add in the attribute after that line. That better.
But that's all to the left.
So yeah, add another attribute. Say margin, colon, 0 space auto, and semicolon.
Oh, yay.
You could make them maybe a little bit wider, maybe like 120. I don't really know why it did that. That's kind of weird.
I had to just copy and paste that for the unordered list.
The UL? Yeah, just copy and paste it and make it say UL.
All right, bet.
I don't know. I guess you could also make it be left line inside of the ordered list, and then the words might press closer to the number for the text align colon left. That might make it more flush on the left.
Mr. Tello, it's not letting me like put like, it's not like if I type in H, it doesn't give me an option to click like HTML or something. So it's making it really hard for me to put in some code, if you know what I mean.
I do know. You might have to refresh your browser. So like you can press F5 on your keyboard and.
Okay, I'll try that.
I think we got the same microphone, Max.
Is Max playing an instrument?
Unless he's coding like crazy.
I'm gonna assume it's an instrument.
He's a hacker.
I'm a hacker. Yeah, let's just go with that.
He knows a lot of things, guys. Don't trust him.
Mr. Sotelo, I think I'm done. What do I do?
Let me just present so you guys all see this. All right, if you can see my screen, what I would do is I would, you can go to share and you can copy that link and you could share it with me. That's if you want me to see the editor, you know, like that sort of thing. That's if you want somebody, I mean, you guys can co-code a site together too, kind of like a Google Doc. But otherwise, I think this is the link here that you can copy, but to be safe, you can go to open in new tab. Yeah, that was the link. And then it's here too. So this would take you not to the editor, but to your standalone page. That's probably the best thing to share. I guess that's right here too. You could just copy that. And then I would submit that to Google Classroom, but I'd also paste it as a comment to that assignment so that you guys can all see each other's pages. Does that make sense? Okay.
Yeah, it's still not letting me get those shortcuts. I don't know what to do. I just want to finish, and I'm on the second page. Like, I was just gonna put one thing.
What do you want to put?
I was just gonna put like my middle name or something like that.
That shouldn't take too long to type.
It's hard.
What are you trying? I mean,
I can figure it out. I think I'll try. I'll come back to you in a second.
okay. Anybody else need help? Who's done and turned it in?
Only Mason.
Only Mason?
I turned
Want a
mine
Mason?
in.
Want a brownie?
Brady?
I think I'm done with the whole about me thing,
Mm-hmm.
but I don't know how to like. What do you mean turn it in? Like
What I
see.
just explained. You copy those links, and then you go to the Google Classroom, and you submit the link.
The link in the top right corner.
Yeah, above the preview.
Where do I paste the link in?
Yeah, we'll go with that.
So,
In the comments of something you said.
Like I don't. Well, present your screen to me because I don't see the classroom as a student.
Hold on.
Yo,
Where do you want it?
learning.
Yeah.
Somebody show me your screen, and then I'll walk you through it.
I don't know.
Are you gonna do that, Coda? Or,
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. All right, so if you got the link copied, you can go to classwork. And then, yeah, basic web page.
Sweet.
Yeah, there you go. And that's where the information about things that you could add onto it.
Oh, dude, it's a class comment. Okay.
Yeah, you paste it there as a comment. And then also scroll up. And where it says add or create, go ahead and click that little plus. Or do a link. Paste it there. And then you can
I hope I have everything.
turn
Okay.
in. Does that make sense?
Oh, you should open mine.
I will.
So that's how you do it.
Let me know if I don't have everything, because I couldn't tell you if I did.
So, how do I share it? Sorry, I wasn't.
We just did this. All right, show me your screen.
Okay.
Whose dog?
Do you see my screen?
Yeah, it's starting up. Yeah, now I
Okay.
see it. All right. So everybody pay attention to this so that you know what to do. Yeah, go to REPL. Go ahead and click out of this, I guess. And do you see that URL above your image, your preview? Yeah, that's it. Click there, copy that. All right, now go to Google Classroom. Go to classwork. Click on the basic web page, HTML. View assignment. You can, looks like you already have something turned in for there. So as you edit it, I should be able to see those changes, but also paste it as a comment so that other people can see your page. And there you go. But otherwise, up at the upper right, you would add a link and then click turn in.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to change the link because I made a new one because my old one sucked.
Then you may have to go back and hit.
Yeah, I was just gonna replace it.
Okay.
All right, thanks, Mr. Stello.
Yeah.
I forgot how to link the different files or whatever together, you know?
Okay.
Like how to like
Do you want to present your screen?
Yeah. Sure. Tom, you're still presenting.
It might just take a minute too. Go ahead and try it because he's not presenting on my end.
Yeah,
so-
I stopped presenting a while ago, Brett. I think your computer's just messing up.
I'm sorry, my computer's slow.
Jewett, I like
Oh, wait.
your website. You guys should go check it out.
What happened? I want to know. Don't mess with me. What I do wrong?
Hold on. Yeah, now I'm starting to see it.
Yeah, that. Oh, the one.
Jared, you have my name is Ryan.
I didn't. Oh, I didn't change that. Let me change that. Don't go there.
All right. If you change it, it'll update. So when I click the link in the future, it'll show the change.
Wait, where do I change it at?
I
Carney,
don't
your
know
name's
where it
not
says
Ryan, you silly goose.
I could legally change it to Ryan in like 5 minutes. Leave me alone.
All right, Rhett, would you scroll up? So
Tom, pick-
a little too high. I mean, where do you want to put the
I don't really know.
And then let's just put it at the bottom, I guess. So
Yeah.
right there, so at the where you see that line, what is that, 47? You want to,
47.
yeah, you want to make a space there. Yeah, good. And then just type A, and then you should be able to press enter. No slash, just type A.
Oh.
There you go. And now inside of the quote marks, you're going to type rickrolls.html. And then inside of the pointy brackets, in between the A tag and the slash A tag.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, right there. Type whatever words you want people to see on the link. There you go. And then on your Rick Rolled page, you would do the same thing. In your body, you would make an anchor tag. In the href, it should go back to index.html. And the words could say something like, go back to home or whatever. Yeah, just put it
Okay.
here.
How do you like have that layout too? By the way, I forgot. Like
You said it
kinda, like,
automatically
sets up the
updates.
Yeah, it'll automatically update. So
Awesome.
just type HTML for a second. No pointy bracket. And just wait. And now click the one
What do you think now, Coda?
with the 5.
Shut up, Kern.
Go look at it.
Oh, Tom, your website's kind of goofed, by the way.
So now you can put
Thank
stuff in the body. The body is where your content goes. So if you want to paste a video, you can grab the code from YouTube, click the embed and copy that and paste it there. But you also want to put an anchor tag
All right.
that links back to index.html.
Mm.
Is that good?
Oh, wait. It's a.
Yep. Good.
Okay, that's all I really needed.
Yeah, just make sure you put words in there, otherwise you won't see it.
Mm.
Like between the tags.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Where was it?
Anybody else need anything before we run out of time?
You should rank all of our websites, just because. So we still have 13 minutes left.
Mine says Ginger. I think I'm number 1. Only because it says Ginger.
Let's see, how many of you have it turned in? So 4 people haven't yet. Well, I guess we don't have everybody in class today, do we? I guess, no, we're just missing Gabe. I see 6 class comments, 8 turned in.
Mason, what did you think of that song I sent you yesterday?
We should talk about that, Kern.
That was you. Who's Daniel Jack? I didn't know who that was.
Well, you never put your name, Mason, but
It has my name at the top, so I was just like,
Just call him Ford Ranger.
Hey Griffin, why do all your favorite basketball players suck at basketball?
You're right. They're all just bad at basketball. You're right.
Mr. Sotelo, I have like kind of a question, but like it's really weird. See, like I hit run up at the top, but then it doesn't do anything.
Who's talking?
Max.
Oh, sorry.
All good.
Shut your mouth, Carney. Don't bully Max.
Yeah, come on.
you hit run, it doesn't do anything?
I'm not bullying. My screen's all frozen, so I was curious.
Okay, console. Well, I mean, I should get my probably like Chromebook out, but hold up.
I guess refresh your browser.
Okay.
It just pulls up a
If we're
console.
done, do you want us to stay on?
Here, let me
I guess you guys can
something
go if you're finished.
He's
All right,
ranking
so
the websites.
it was a good 2 weeks online.
Yeah.
Let's get ready to.
Now you got a 4-day weekend.
All right, see ya.
See ya.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Did that work, Max?
Bye, everyone. I guess.
I'm trying to figure it out. I'm gonna do it on here so I can try to share my screen.
No, Mr. Sotelo, I think I'm all caught up because that's what I needed to catch up on. I didn't know what you guys did to that.
Okay. Yeah, that's probably okay.
See ya.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye, Rep. Brady.
Connie. Oh, Carney's not there. Okay.
I see I could share my screen.
I'll let you guys go.
All right.
Alrighty.
It's good seeing you guys.
Yep. See you next week.
Bye.
Are you sharing your screen, Max?
I'm trying to. Can you see
At the
it?
bottom right. It's starting. Yeah, I'm starting to see it. Yeah.
Okay. So look, I hit run up at the top,
Mm-hmm.
and it doesn't. It does like this thing down here at the bottom, like the shell and console thing. And it doesn't go
Weird.
over the other thing.
Yeah, it should. Go ahead and maybe click the. You refresh your browser.
Yeah, I did that like multiple times, and then I also like logged out completely, and I tried relogging, and it didn't work.
To above where the preview should be, there's a little button at the upper right that says that if you hover over it, it says open in a new tab.
Where?
Do you see like above the console, there's that big white space, and above that it says HTTP.
Yeah.
To the right, there's that little button with like a square with an arrow.
Yep. Okay.
Let's see if that runs it.
Taking a bit.
Yeah. Usually shouldn't take that long.
Yeah, I don't think that's working.
Well, that might be on REPL.
Should I just turn this in? Maybe it will work.
Yeah, go ahead and turn that in. You can just paste that link,
Okay.
and I don't know why that's not working. Sometimes REPL might go down for maintenance or something. So sometimes it works and sometimes it kind of doesn't.
Okay. So then where do I paste it?
If you go up to the classwork button.
Okay.
Or you might have to, yeah, there you go. Basic web page.
Class comments.
Yeah, you can paste it as a class comment.
Oh. Okay.
And then you want to go to, you should have like a place where you can add stuff to the assignment, right? If you scroll up, or go back out of class comments.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, and then say add attachment.
Okay.
Link. Then you can paste that link there too, and then turn that in.
Okay. Is that it? It should be it.
Yep, that's it.
Okay. Perfect.
All right, you have a good one.
You too.
I will see you next week.
Okay. See you next week.
Bye.